Hello, and welcome. The present simple tense. We form the present simple tense by a subject, like I, you, he, she, it, we, they, followed by a verb in the present form. For example, he drinks 2 cups of coffee every morning. I work as a teacher. Notice that in the first sentence, we have drinks with an S. In the present simple tense, when the subject is he, she, it, we add an S to the verb. But when the subject is I, we, you, they, we use the verb without an S. That's why we said in the second sentence, I work. Now the first sentence here talks about a habit or a routine, something that we do regularly. The second sentence is a fact. I work as a teacher, is a fact about my life. These are the main 2 uses of present simple. Here are some other examples about habits and routines. She gets up every day at 5 o'clock. I play football on Sundays. And here are some other examples of facts. The sun rises in the east. The earth revolves round the sun. Notice that these 2 sentences are facts about the world. So facts can be about people or they can be about things in the world. Finally, certain signal words are commonly used with the present simple tense, including always, usually, often, sometimes, rarely, never. Every day, every week, every month, every year. On Mondays, on weekends, in the morning, in the evening. In general, generally, typically. I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Remember to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next lesson.